How to take a quiz in D2L. As there are a few ways to get to quizzes, the easiest is just to click Quizzes found on the navigation bar. In the quiz list area, click on the quiz that you need to take. On the summary page, read through any instructions you may have from your instructor. You will also see the duration and how many attempts you are allowed. When you are ready to start, click on Start Quiz found at the bottom. You are now within the quiz. Enter your answers to each question. On the top, you can see the time limit and how much time is remaining. Enter your answers for the questions. On the left side, shows quiz pages. Quizzes may have one question or multiple questions per page. Enter my answer and click Next Page. You can see that my answers are auto-saved as I go. When you are finished, click Submit Quiz. If you have missed answering any questions, you will get a warning. If there is still time to answer those missed questions, just click on the numbers, answer them, and then click Submit. In this example, I am going to just submit. Now I receive my quiz submission page. This could be different for each quiz. It all depends on the settings your instructor has added. If you have browser issues, such as your browser has frozen, and if there is still time left remaining, just close the browser and restart the quiz. Your instructors are able to see your progress, so if you have questions about any issues, reach to them for assistance. Thanks for watching.